What's going on, everybody? David here. Today we're talking camera gear, and I picked up this new little device for my Osmo Pocket, and it's a little protector. So it's a little protector case. I'm going to show you this up close in a minute so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. But I was very unhappy with it. I'm going to explain to you the reason why. So let's go ahead and go over to the studio and check this out. Okay, so here's my Osmo Pocket. I want to show you, before I even open up this this little protector, I want to show you the reason that I want that protector for the lens. So I want something just to cover the front lens. I don't want to have to always have this case with me. If I can have it more streamlined where I just have something that's covering the lens and protecting the gimbal so the gimbal doesn't move around, that's all I would need. So if, let's say I had this in my shirt pocket and I didn't want to have this whole big case with me, I can just have this with something covering the lens and I'm good to go. So that's my plan. And so I looked on Amazon and I found this product here. I'll show you guys it real quick. And I will post a link in the description so you guys can look at this. I just want to tell you right off the bat, it's not something that I would recommend. And I'm going to explain to you why. So basically, this is the product. You slide the Osmo Pocket right in there like that, and then you can lock it down like that. Now this is perfect in theory. It's perfect. It would be exactly what I would want. It's very small. I can still put this in my shirt pocket and not have any issue with it giving me any problems. It's not big. It's a lot smaller than having it in the case. So I like that. What I don't like about it is this. If you move it just a little bit, it just pops open. And so you can't keep it locked down. There's a little bit of play in it. So if it's, let's say it's in my shirt pocket and I move around just a little bit, it just pops open. And when it pops open, this whole thing just falls off. So it's not going to work. It's just not going to do the trick. And so that's the main gripe that I have with it. I'm hoping that this company finds this video and figures out, hey, you know, we can improve on this. And the main thing that's the problem is this little lever in the back. Although it's good that it protects the back of it and it does hold it down just a little bit so it holds the gimbal from moving around. If there was a locking mechanism on the back here, then that would be perfect. You lock it down there and now you can move it and it's not going to open up. But there's no locking mechanism. All it is just, it just kind of clips in, so it'll just pop open. So have some type of locking mechanism. Maybe have a little bit more protection down here at the bottom where the gimbal moves around, just to keep the gimbal from moving. And then in that situation, I think it'll be fine. But for right now, I can't recommend this because it's just not. It's not going to keep your Osmo Pocket protected. Because let's just look at it this way. Let's say you have this in your bag, and this is all you have, and you have it locked down, and it moves a little bit. It pops open. And then now your Osmo Pocket's inside your bag rattling around and the lenses can get damaged because of that. So I would not recommend this, and that's the main reason I'm doing this video. So if you guys are looking into getting something like this, you're probably going to want to pass on this one. But like I said, the idea is this is a good idea. I like the idea. I just don't like the fact that you can't lock this down. If you were able to lock this down and keep it from moving around, then this would be the perfect solution. But at this point, they're just not there. So that's all I have for you guys. If you have any questions, please post in the comments below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.